Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the GOODaaa 42,800 milliamp power bank. So even if you have like one of those good ones, it's 10,000. This is almost 5 times the size of that. So this is going to charge iPhone, iPad. It'll charge my MacBook. But let's show you guys what it's got in here. So let me take everything out. So here we go. So this is the solar bank right here. So you can leave this outside, leave it on your dashboard, whatever, to try to get it charged up. It'll take forever to charge it up because this is huge. But let's show you guys what it's got on here. On the side, it has the little plug here. This is a USB plug. It doesn't have the casing around it because they can make it nice and small. So that's how you can charge it. So you just plug that into one of the charging blocks. So that's kind of cool. So it makes it nice and easy to charge. So it has that all in there. And also, let's see what else we got on here. I mean, just putting it back in its place. And then we have 3 wires on here. We have our lightning, which will charge my iPhone that I'm recording with now. We have a USB-C, which can charge my my microphone here. There we go, kind of lit up on there. So it's already charged, so I'm not gonna need to charge it more. And then we have, let's see what the last one is. It's probably micro USB is my guess. Yes, micro USB. So that's what I need to charge some of my stuff like my wireless mouse and a few other things. So how cool is that? On the side here, it looks like we've got, is that a compass? Oh, it's a thermometer. So we are at, oh, that's Fahrenheit. Look at that. It's got Fahrenheit compass. That's pretty cool. So we are at 75 or so in here, so which is pretty accurate. We have a smartwatch wireless charging, so I can charge my Apple Watch right here. I have my Apple Watch. Let's see if we put that on there, what we need to do to make it charge. Probably need to turn it on. There's the on button. Let's see. Oh, there it is. You can see it's got the little lightning bolt on it. So it's charging my watch. How sweet is that? So I can just take this with me. I can charge my watch on it that way. I can charge my phone through the little lightning cable. I can charge my all my other stuff right there. And it looks like it came with some charge on it already. It looks like it's got all 4 dots already going. And I don't know if you noticed, to turn it on, I push the little power button here. And then over here, we have a couple of power ports here. We have an in, we can charge it through USB-C. We have a USB-C out or in, and then we have a USB, so you can plug in just any kind of cord into it there. So that is all neat. And then we have, it looks like here we have a flashlight of sorts. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's it. I hold it down and it does a flashlight, and it's got a laser light. I don't know if you see that laser light on there, but it does have a laser, and I pointed that at my face. I guess double click it to turn it off. So it does that. And then here, I'm guessing this is just a little hook so I could hang it onto something or connect it up. Oh, it came with a carabiner. I can carabiner it on to my backpack or whatever and keep it in there. And it came with its own little USB-C to USB-C wire for charging it up. So super cool, nice little device. And not too heavy, but it's heavy enough because it's got the battery on it and it'll do all that stuff there. I guess I left the lights on. Let me see. How do we turn those off? Was it holding it down? Yes, holding the button down turns it off. So super cool. Thumbs up.